So if you are a person who is working on a Salesforce Flow scenario and get stuck over there, for example, you are working in a company and you are working on a Salesforce Flow scenario where you get stuck and you need help from an expert, where that expert will help you to resolve the errors, or let's say also explain you how we actually achieve that scenario. Basically any kind of help that you need from an expert regarding your Salesforce flow, right? So you can book a 1-hour call with me. I will put out the link into the description box and into the comment section as well. If you have any kind of scenario that you want to discuss, or let's say work over it with me, you can book a call with me, and obviously it's going to be a paid call as I'm utilizing my time over it. So anytime if you are facing any issue regarding your Salesforce flow and need some help, I am there for you. Just book the call from the given link, and that's it. Thank you so much. If you